As older hikers, Jessica and I thought we would like to do a return hike to House on Fire in Bears Ear. The last time we hiked into the ruin was 9 years ago. Things change in 9 years, but we made it, and here are images and video of the hike. We also show images of Bears Ear taken from Natural Bridges National Monument. In addition, we stopped at the Mule Canyon Ruin display and share images and video of our visit. These ruins are very close to House on Fire and served as an observation post for the dwellings in Mule Canyon.